I have been trading stocks long enough to know one thing. When everyone gets excited, the market is usually about to do the opposite. So Tesla stock, we can see this one here on the monthly time frame, broke all-time highs, as expected. Okay, breakout stock traders are celebrating. Okay, Tesla is breaking all-time highs, but here is the uncomfortable question: what is this breakout? Is just another liquidity trap? Well, probably. Well, so let's break down Tesla using pure price action, supply demand, as I always do, and I will show you why patience beats hype and Elon Musk every single time. So this is Tesla stock price action on the monthly. Okay, so Tesla delivered a very strong rally here on the monthly time frame, pushing into all-time highs that were located at $490 per share. And that happened in December 2025, okay? A few days ago. Today is the 8th of January 2026. So for most stock traders, that sounds like bullish. Obviously, breakout stock traders are, wow, great, Tesla? Come on, let's buy, okay? But so that's like a dream scenario for breakout stock traders. So for supply demand stock traders, it's not a dream scenario, okay? This is like a warning scenario, warning sign. A strong rally, all-time highs broken, we are waiting for the pullback, okay? So markets don't move in straight lines, as you already know. So strong bullish impulses like this one. Look at this candlestick on the monthly, okay? That candlestick on the monthly is really huge, okay? It's one of the biggest candlesticks in a long time after, well, it's even bigger than, that's a candlestick of about almost 40%. This one here was about even larger, okay? 50%. So 40% in a single month. So that means that Tesla is very expensive, as simple as that. And when we see that strong bullish price action on Tesla stock, we should be waiting for the pullback. And that is exactly what Tesla is doing. And this is why this is a fake out, okay? We were expecting that. So strong bullish impulses on any time frame, like this one on Tesla, create demand here. But these they also invite late buyers, okay, stock buyers, emotional, FOMO, no fear of missing out, and aggressive breakout stock strategies, okay? That's exactly what Tesla has done again. The same way it happened here back in November, December 2024. Very strong rally, all-time highs were broken. I recorded a video like that at that time, and then what happened? Tesla dropped down there. Breakout traders lost again, okay? Now the same thing is happening. Okay, 50% candlestick, 40% candlestick. We are waiting for that. Okay, that is on the monthly time frame for Tesla. So a new monthly demand level has been created here, clearly created around $333 per share. This is not a speculation. This is a structure, location, momentum, and created by strong institutional buying, okay, during the rally here. So, and here is the key lesson for most stock traders. They ignore this lesson, okay? Price always comes back to test where institutions actually bought, the same way that happened here, the same way it happened here. And we are talking about the large time frame. So if the monthly is expected to do this, obviously don't use stock strategies to trade intraday, okay, or scalp. No bullish, obviously bearish, not bullish strategies, obviously, okay? So this is like I said, this is like the French say, no, déjà vu. Tesla has done this before. Yes, it did it here, as I said. Okay, back in 2024, 2025, it rallied aggressively over there, broke all-time highs, and then sucked in breakout traders, and it dropped straight into the monthly demand level at $262 per share. It's the same psychology, okay, same price behavior, strong rally, large candlestick, okay, bodies, and the same trap after breaking all-time highs. Exactly the same thing, okay, but a different year. For the same stock, same time frame, it's same psychology, same price action, same trap. So breakout stock traders, okay, should not be very happy about this, okay, because if they bought the highs, they are losing, obviously, and supply and demand, as supply and demand traders, we are waiting. So if we take a look at smaller time from here, the latest impulse here on the weekly has been eliminated, and we are expecting price to drop all the way down there. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we can see price action not as clearly as on the monthly, where all those candlesticks have been merged into 3 candlestick. Okay, this is not an imbalance. This is a picture of balance. Price tries to rally and stays within the same range with those candlestick bodies. The open and the close, same range, and the wicks are just nothing. Okay, so if we take, like, I don't know, let's use here, what's a way to hide the wicks? Should be all symbol, no, one sec. That was a way to hide the wicks before. There was a setting here and I looked for it and I couldn't find it. So if you remove the wicks, we are gonna see like candles, these candlesticks say nothing, okay? They are at balance, okay? Okay, that option is not there. So we are waiting for that. This is a classic fake out. We could even draw the classic resistance line over there. Broke out the all-time highs, then it dropped, broke all-time high, and this is creating the classic resistance. We don't trade support or resistance. We trade supply and demand imbalances. We don't trade a single price line. We trade a block of institutional buyers or sellers. Okay, so all-time highs broken, expecting there. Retail traders chase trade, it stops by a lot below, and then institutions quietly wait for Tesla stock to drop down there. Okay, then price pulls back the same way it did the last time. Not because Tesla is weak, because it is not weak. There is a lot of hype, yes, always with Elon Musk in the middle. Not because of the news or earnings or anything, okay? And not because of any of that, okay? Because price needs to rebalance supply and demand, and this is where the rebalance is expected to happen, okay? So breakout strategies work until they don't, and Tesla loves proving that point, as you can see in these 2 examples, okay? So for long-term and swing stock traders, this is the waiting game. We need to let price to come to you, respect the monthly structure, the same way it did that way. Patience is not passive, it's a strategy. So if we take a look at the daily time frame, the opening today is expected to the pre-market expected to go lower. This was the latest strong demand level with a gap eliminated. That's telling us a lot. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see like bearish gaps. There's a new supply level over there created. So there's no way we should be buying Tesla because of all these reasons. But if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, which is a very common time frame for short-term stock traders, then, well, besides having gaps everywhere, it's like this is very, very difficult to trade, okay? Here we've got a nice supply level over there for short-term, okay? That one over there at $450 per share for short-term shorts. But in this bigger time frames, if you don't start like looking at the bigger time frames, and the month is one of them, if you now all those 1 hour candlesticks with the bullish gaps, bearish gaps, and all that stuff, okay, look where that is happening right after breaking all-time highs with price action at balance. So it needs to rebalance down there in the monthly time frame. Okay, this is all about patience. I recorded videos for this, and also on Certificate Line Trading community, I shared analysis as all this was happening in the monthly, weekly, daily, the imbalances, everything as they happen. Okay, I share some videos on YouTube from time to time, but I believe this was relevant because I was reading people saying I want to buy a Tesla. Come on, no way, my friend. But if you don't take a look at the bigger time frames, you're gonna miss the global picture, okay, where everything is happening and what we are expecting. So the bigger picture is very needed for direction, okay? So Tesla is not bullish, Tesla is not bearish, Tesla is overextended after breaking all the highs. So we are expecting price to drop on there. The market doesn't reward excitement, it rewards patience. So let's see what happens. Okay, this is what we are expecting. If you like this video and the insights I'm providing, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be glad to help you. Have a great day.